unexpected delays, temperature fluctuations, security breaches. These supply chain nightmares can cripple your operations. But what if you could anticipate these issues before they happen? Introducing the Sensos Sync Alert Center, your proactive shield against supply chain chaos. This powerful tool empowers you to set custom alerts, define triggers for security breaches, temperature deviations, unexpected delays, or any potential disruption. You can also get real-time notifications and be instantly notified whenever an alert is triggered. This allows you to take immediate action, address issues before they escalate, minimizing risk and ensuring smooth operations. With Sensos Sync, you can stay informed and proactive, maintaining control and minimizing disruptions. Don't gamble with your supply chain. Take control with Sensos Sync alerts. Visit our website to learn more